The textile mill used to run off a water wheel before the canal went dry. It started up again recently, and whatever the Hatters did to get it working has enraged the dead eels. They're fighting in the streets.
What?
Gotcha!
We'll throw flashlights, hands
Got this
closed.
man! Go! Give me a hand!
River mud.
What the?
Here we go.
Come on! Let's
Choke
get
on
this!
this. I'll stick you.
Go sleep! Damn it! Stop close, bastard! Get around! Hit him hard! He's cracking! Come on, let's get this guy! I mean, somebody! We're over here! Try some mommy, you little...
Let me go. You won, all right? I thought I was finished. You'll never believe who saved me.
Welcome to the Draper's Ward Salvage and Resale, or the Black Market if you'd prefer. It's Daud, right? Recognized your face from the posters. Not that I'd ever say anything to anyone, believe me. I'd be happy to have you for a customer.
What are you selling?
The best of Draper's Ward, all for sale. Say, would you consider doing a job for me? There's a man whose debt to me is well past due.
I'm not a bill collector.
I don't want the money. I want his head. I pay you well. And you can use the money to buy things from me.
I'll do it.
Huh. Thank you. Skinflint is a chain smoker. He likes to light up in the old canal tunnel and play Nancy for coin. I'd start there. Make an example of him.
Got it. Now let me see what you've got.
Please, take your pick.
Come on, let's get this guy!
Won't make it 3 more months.
Where'd you... Man!
I hope you're keeping my little job in mind.
Skinflint is dead.
Delightful. As agreed, your reward. The best of Draper's Ward, all for sale.
Anything to smoke or eat?
Blow off, chop.
How did it pass me by? All the others down with the sickness.
Edgar Wakefield is on the Undine. He's put all of the eels on alert since Lizzie's rumored to have escaped from Coldridge. He's expecting her. You will undoubtedly be a surprise to him.
Leave. Come on!
Lizzie's boat is smaller than I remember. Time to signal Lizzie.
Lizzy Stride is assuming control of the dead eels now. She's ordered them to give you safe passage.
Your friend Edgar Wakefield set me up to be taken by the City Watch, and you followed him. Took his orders. But you know what?
What you doing?
I forgive you. All of you. I'm filled with love. But the following people each owe me a finger. Logan, Douglas, Bang Bang, Ferris, Cakeface, the Bakers, and Annabelle. Shit. 2 from you, Annabelle. Have a good night. That piece of garbage, Edgar. I'm still living with his incompetence. He let the Hatters cripple the Undine.
Ship seems fine to me.
They took the engine coil. We're dead in the water.
What is it? Can we make a new one?
They don't make them anymore, not for an engine like the Undine's. We'll have to get it back.
The geezer still leads the Hatter gang, right? I'll pay him a visit.
It won't be that easy. There's a snag.
Always is. What's this one?
The geezer's about 100 years old by now. He's got it rigged so that if he dies, the whole place gets gassed. So they're real careful around him. Got him a nurse and everything. Maybe you can cut a deal for that engine coil. Turn on the charm. One of the Hatters gave me their door password in exchange for keeping the rest of his fingers. It's whalebone. I never got to use it on account of the gas. And being in jail.
Just be ready to move when I get back. That's nice.
outsider ain't real. What'd I see Daud do then?
Just because he can do strange things doesn't mean there's an invisible man watching us. I don't know how he does it.
Are you crazy? Don't you dare.
The city even smells rotten.
What's the password?
Whalebone.
Come in, Hatter.
Sir, the Hatters are using the textile machines to make shrouds for the plague dead.
Now we know why they took the engine coil.
The man who runs the Hatters is more cunning than he looks. He can flood this place with a toxic gas. In time, it'll eat through our air filters. You may have to make a deal.
Who just went through here?
The Empress did. She had corp.
Hey, you! Somebody, get over here! Bastard up for the hackfish! Get around him! Take him down! Get on with it, rat face! It's just a matter of time, buddy. Here you are! What?
Oh no!
Wakefield's miscalculate.
My name's Daud. I'm looking for Lizzy Stride's missing engine coil. I'm giving you a chance to make a deal.
Yes, sir. Very reasonable offer. Geezer here says you're in luck. We only need that engine coil because someone shut off the flow that turns our water wheel. I sent men into the sewers to restore the flow, and not one of them came back. But what stopped them won't be a problem for the famous Daud, will it? When the water flows, I'll give you the engine coil. Here's the key to the sewer entrance, and it's a pleasure to do business with you, Mr. Daud. The Hatters will behave themselves, as long as you keep your end of the bargain, Daud.
I tremble to think I live to see your corpse. What a sweet sight. Daud, quick, come close. Look at the pickle I'm in. Words out about your deal with Lizzy. I know why you're here. You want that engine coil? It's yours. You just have to do one thing, assassin. Kill me. This contraption, Trimble's machine, get it off me. Let me die. I'll give you what you want.
All I have to do is pull that oil tank.
No, not yet. Trimble's machine keeps me alive, but he's rigged it so that gas will flood the mill if I die. Insurance. Search Trimble's quarters. Upstairs, he has antitoxin he drinks every day, just in case I croak. You'll have to make some to survive the gas.
But everyone will die. Not just you.
These hatters. They're not my hatters, don't deserve the name. Trimble's been calling the shots for years. They can choke and die, every last one.
This guy never made it back. Wonder if he's still down there.
You should get where you're going, little man.
You figured it out. You gotta kill me now. None of your fancy knife shit. Just pull out the oil tank. When it's out, I'll get it. Easiest job you ever pulled.
It's out. What's the combination?
Daud. You set me free, kid. Hatters are finished. That's good. And, something. Wish it had been Lizzy. I gave her the password a long time ago. But she never came. Beautiful smile.
I need that combination.
Right. You did your part. The number is 8, 7.
Looks like the end for you, fancy boy.
2-on-1, huh? If I had a blame.
Die, you crusty bastard! That's a lot of followers. Lizzie's pissed. Where's Nara gone?
You are an endless source of adventure, Daud. Please, to the honors, Daud. Fire up the engine from the bridge.